Excellency Nana Addo Akufo Addo is our president. Na asoja for no a moye se yebe cool enei modern world ayi wo mu. Everybody want to grow up, move up, technology here and there. This is not the time for manpower. Jimmy bia Ghana. Kane na soja fu fi se omo ahoden nti be ye cool yakoye training na ye dede ne dwomto masa saade ne twem. Saade ne twem. You are always hungry for power. Sa Nkwasiafuo ne twem. What you say? Kane tetene na na soja fu ne ahoden e de obi na obi betumi de etuo blow utra to atwene na meka kire wo. Udi mun kojini Ghana boys no be boys no utu maka kire wo mo say enema ayekoso no they should pay attention to the system. A soldier for no your madwin so mbe jimi a mamo ntwema wo mo na Ghana ya mo dia Ghana anya soldier for dia. What you say? Ghana yen ena Ghana ye dia Ghana anya soldier for dia. Ena Ghana soldier for no kwa for your information. You are doing nothing for Ghana. About 1% of the Ghana military men has say something to do for Ghana. They are working. Ghana soldier for kakebi na ye dwuma Ghana. They are kani na egu barracks ena training ene Nkwasiasem me ko gym me ko ye training. Yese na Akufo Addo eko wote ne private jet bi asese no ne boarding ene nti nka Ghana president itu kwan no. America president eba Ghana wote nice airplane. No be any age. It looks very nice. Ghana president etu kwan nti onante form ena emfiri Accra emesene enko aburuchira na sese. Asojafo kura na mosemo aye training. Asojafo mosemo aye training amoho oden no. Yakasa sojafo amowo 4BN ewo Kumase no. Muntu America mesene enko bema kampo. Mobeko. Monkase mu hia ka. Mu training ni nyina eche mu tu kwan mosemo hia ka. Asojafo didi no mu nsuo ye nyamfaso bi amfiri omoso omugu barras na de uyi omo ye dwuma 37 ne ade ni firi mu a asojafo kakra bi na ye dwuma boa Ghana omo maka nyina gudem ne Nkwasiasem ni training ye da be na asojafo moko wo toja ni nka wo dwuma ne senka ko wo e ma Ghana asojafo da be na moko wo ensu ye tua moka da bia ye ntua moka. It is causing financial loss to the state. It is causing financial, you people are causing financial loss to the state. Your uniforms here and there, your boot and all of that. But you do nothing for Ghana except making noise and a yebe ku no dear masa. Mamoni na ho. Yes, but I'm person catcher. But the ammonia said near Ubiaku, Ewo Guinea, in Tieveku or Ghana. Make kama me watanan kabne ye nyina obi ade ne ho baji mu Ghana ho Jimmy am Kwasea mugu balance no se balance se adwuma be na mo yama Ghana fo adwuma be na mo soja fo mo Ghana no emfaso be na ye nya Ghana ayi ensuo to ana asai nkrofo ajapade wa Accra no da be na soja fo a omo wo be ma camp commanding officer no be ka so on de opa Ghana yi nti yemfa soja fo emeye adwuma Yamfa soja for nkoya contract or the say enkonkoya construction works na yama Accra gata no emu enye nit soja for inni sa adwene se ye ne debi kra yebekọ public work e wa Accra na yama ekuro no mu nyina ye nit ye go barracks ene Nkwasiasem ena ye debia soja ni ahye uniform address pampe enso emko ba bia ko to hwinim ene technology ba me ma metua me yi soja me yi UTF ro maza. Yenyina soja ne Yakobi pen. What you say? We know the significance of serving the people. What you on some America soja for kro mo ye powerful na soja for mu design bomb ne ade ade America no. On the soja ni dia ka say otimi design bomb nti okoye ku atia president bi wa America. So Ghana soja ni a ye ko kire wo tia bofre eto keke no. Soja ni a witimi to tia bofre ne pestle. I had AK-47 and that's why you're powerful into the AK-47. Ebe ye cool. Because the president in a private jet, no dear. Kwasea, wona anya yanka wontrem. Wona unya sa private jet ranka wontrem. Ti president ni tu kwam. Tigana president enkonko fa form anase onkofro economy class emfentu kwan na broni bi ko hunu a asan ba be news worldwide say Ghana for kra the president no masa munya san kwato ya sabere we kan okre na atro. Why? The industries going on, the free SHS, so many projects going on, and yes, you not see soldiers talking about it. You not see soldiers that Kwame Nkrumah ede eyibayi akosombo dam ebaye within some few days. Yes, a soldier for you cool. Na Ghana mayana ye basa na soldier for gu krom bi ko mu ne adwumadi. Obi a woni adwuma bia ye no so no Nkwasiasem na ahye ni mu ma Nkwasiasem ko a na ye be afi de mo start bo Ghana for. Mon start bo Ghana for ye kobo ma ye koye sei. Odi amonya samo ye ku na ye bu obi me be bie soldier ni bia kira no. Yensro uniform. Uniform ye nyina ye obi gudem ye mfa nya hwe. Obi ba fese yanam de a che ne o ya no ayi. Masa ye nyina ye uniform ni bi gudem. Yensro uniform anya hwe. Adwene ena ese ye adwuma. Mo mama adwena anya adwuma. Mo body ne be bread me na me ka kire. Yes. Let us wake up and reason and protect the citizens. And then we have to protect our president. That's the number one citizen of the country. We have to protect our president. That's what I'm talking about. Yebe yeku, dear massa, nebre and biabe one yeku. Yeah. And inchi, me ko baby. Yeah, you will meeting. Me I say American Airlines meeting, yeah, say inti memrebi. And now you see me after. There be a brony person or conanim. Brony looking to improve in life. By bibini. Jimmy Nkwa. Bibini Jimmy. Me say am bedu baby no brony. Edi bibini ebe ye kalomo. Brony di bibini ebe bo kebab. Me na me ka che because bia ye dia ya adwen say di ebe Jimmy Nkwa. Brony be start di bibini aye kebab. What you say? Yeah. I love you all. We love our president. We love Nana Addai Akufo Addo. We love our president. And that being said, no president so kekan hu industries no ne ade ade na eche mon project no mo ya kan se e beto cars ya ma MP a nka mo de car no nka da na ye to aba ma mo na nka mo de cars na bi duru Ghana. What you say? Industries no citizens ni so here industries, free SHS facilities, affordable housing and ade ade. What you people should hurry up. And yes, soldier ni bia so no dem kwase asem bia ba na obi ade akire. Why? Charlie, I love you all.